Yeah, hello friends. Today I'm going to replace the battery for Dell Latitude E7270 touchscreen. So let's start. So first of all, we need to remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one screw is in the middle. That's the one. So I already removed these screws, so take this part off. So next, here's the battery. So we need to remove two screws. One screw is here and one is here, and we have a one clip here. That's the one. So just need to remove this clip, pull it out gently. There you go, and take the battery out. That's the battery. That's it. Here we have a SSD hard drive. We have a RAM here. That's the 8 GB RAM, and that's the Wi-Fi adapter. And I'm going to put this battery again. I'm going to plug this connector again. So I'm going to put screws back. One, two. That's it. I'm going to put the back cover off. Make sure it's seated properly. Yeah, job done. Let me check it's working or not. Yeah, it's power on. And displays power on. Yeah, job done. And thank you for watching.